Certainly. Here's a detailed story about the Roman Emperor Aurelian, who ruled from 270 to 275 AD and is known for his military prowess and significant reforms. Lucius Domitius Aurelianus, commonly known as Aurelian, was born around 214 AD in the province of Moesia, modern-day Bulgaria. He began his career in the Roman military and quickly rose through the ranks due to his exceptional leadership and combat skills. By the time he became emperor, the Roman Empire was in a state of crisis, facing numerous external threats and internal divisions. Aurelian ascended to the throne in 270 AD during a tumultuous period known as the Crisis of the 3rd Century. The Roman Empire was fragmented, with several regions declaring independence. The Gallic Empire in the west and the Palmyrene Empire in the east posed significant challenges to Roman authority. Additionally, the empire was plagued by economic instability, military defeats, and rampant inflation. One of Aurelian's most notable achievements was his military campaigns to reunify the empire. His first major challenge was the Gallic Empire, which had been established by the usurper Postumus. Aurelian swiftly marched against the Gallic forces, defeating them in a series of battles. By 273 AD, he had successfully reasserted Roman control over Gaul, restoring it to the empire. Aurelian then turned his attention to the east, where the Palmyrene Empire, led by Queen Zenobia, had gained significant power. Zenobia had declared herself empress and sought to expand her territory, challenging Roman authority. Aurelian launched a campaign against her in 272 AD, demonstrating his military acumen and strategic brilliance. Aurelian's campaign against Zenobia culminated in the Siege of Palmyra, a wealthy and strategically important city. The siege was arduous, but Aurelian's forces eventually breached the city walls. In a dramatic turn of events, Zenobia attempted to escape by disguising herself as a common woman and fleeing on horseback. However, she was captured by Aurelian's troops before she could reach safety. Upon her capture, Aurelian chose to treat Zenobia with respect rather than execute her. He brought her to Rome, where she was paraded in a triumphal procession. According to historical accounts, she was later granted a villa and lived out her days in relative comfort, a testament to Aurelian's magnanimity. In addition to his military successes, Aurelian implemented significant reforms aimed at stabilizing the empire. He restructured the Roman economy, introduced a new currency to combat inflation, and improved tax collection. Aurelian also focused on strengthening the empire's defenses, building walls around Rome to protect it from potential invasions. His most notable architectural achievement was the construction of the Aurelian Walls, which encircled Rome and provided a formidable defense against external threats. These walls, some of which still stand today, were a symbol of Aurelian's commitment to the security of the empire. Aurelian's reign was cut short when he was assassinated in 275 AD, just 5 years after he became emperor. His death was the result of a conspiracy involving members of his own court who feared his growing power and authoritarian rule. Despite his relatively short reign, Aurelian left a lasting legacy as one of Rome's most effective and respected emperors. His efforts to reunify the empire and implement reforms laid the groundwork for the eventual stabilization of the Roman Empire in the years that followed. Aurelian is often remembered as a military genius and a capable leader who faced immense challenges during one of the most difficult periods in Roman history. Aurelian's story is one of resilience, military prowess, and reform. His ability to navigate the complexities of a fractured empire and restore Roman authority is a testament to his leadership skills. Though his reign was brief, the impact of his actions resonated throughout the history of Rome,